How to color grade in CapCut. Let's get into it. Start by selecting your video clip, then come up to the adjust panel in the top right. Next, click into curves. In this example, we're going to pay attention to the luma curve. Create a point in this square here, and then a point in this square here. Then drag this point up a little bit, drag this point down a little bit. And when you do this, you will start to see contrast coming out in your video clip. The result is going to be different for everybody, so you are going to have to play around with this curve to get it right for your video. I don't recommend overdoing it as it's going to ruin the quality of your video. So I'm going for something like this, and if I toggle this off and on, we can see the difference in the before and the after there. Next, click into color wheels. This is going to bring up this. Your color wheels might look a little bit like this. I want to go into log because we're dealing with log footage here. You will see shadows, middle tone, and highlights. For this example, I'm going to pay attention to middle tone. By clicking and dragging this around, this is going to change the tone of our video. So if I take it to the blue, it looks a bit more cold. If I take it over to the orange, it looks more warm. In this example, I want a warmer look, so I'm going to drag mine over to the orange. And then if we enable and disable this, we can see the difference that has made to our video. Finally, click into the basic tab, scroll down, and here you have the ordinary color grading tools. Because we've done most of the work using curves, you only have to fine tune these ever so slightly now. In this example, I'm going to increase the warmth of this video. If you're going for a more colder look, you can bring it down into the blue. So I'm going to take my warmth up to about 5. Again, we can always turn this off and on again to see the difference in the before and after. If you want to add more vibrance to your video, say if I want these greens to pop out, you can then also increase the saturation ever so slightly. Again, don't go too far as it will give you weird results. So I'm just going to bring this up ever so slightly to bring up the vibrance of this video. Again, if we enable and disable this, we can see the difference that has made. You can then go through all of these other settings and fine tune them to get your video just right, but that's all there is to it.